It's been a while I haven't spoken about what feels right or wrong. While every day we hear that matters, the just awareness of one's own. We preach about love and patience, about trust and role of youth. However, in devotion maidens are played the hidden cards alone. The inequality is rising,